Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix camera black screen error in Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. If you're using S23 Plus and you're facing the issue that in your camera, you're facing the black screen issue, your camera is not recording anything like your photos or videos, it's just only stuck on a black screen. So let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to keep a long press on your camera app, click on this info button or eye icon here, go to, it will lead to your app settings of your camera, go to storage, and just clear cache. I have just cleared cache, so I have nothing here. Or let's say I want to open my camera app here, and whenever you try to use your camera app for a few moments, you might get the app cache. So let's try this. Just keep a long press on your camera, click on info button, go to storage here. There's the storage, and here you must see cache. Just try to clear cache. You can also try to clear data. It will completely reset your camera app to default. It will reset all the settings, and once I've done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to close your camera app from background. Keep alarm press on your info button or your camera app. Click on info button here, click on force stop. And once you have forcefully stop, before you retry to use the camera, I recommend you to go to settings here, scroll down, go to software update, and make sure that your software is up to date. You might have an pending software update. You have to also make sure that you're connected to internet to update your software. Once you have done, go back, just scroll down and control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on restart button again. It will make a restart your phone, and once your phone has been restarted, you have to retry to open your camera app, and this time you might not get any issue like that. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.